San Antonio, located in Texas, is a city steeped in history and vibrant culture. Its iconic symbol, the Alamo, commemorates a pivotal moment in American history. The Riverwalk, winding through the city center, is adorned with restaurants, shops, and lush greenery, offering a charming urban escape. San Antonio's multicultural heritage is evident in its diverse cuisine, from Tex-Mex delights to BBQ. The city hosts numerous festivals, including Fiesta San Antonio, a colorful celebration of its heritage. With a warm climate, world-class museums, and a strong sense of community, San Antonio beckons visitors with its unique blend of tradition and modernity. Before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content and help support our channel. Just hit that subscribe button below the video, and let's get started. Number 1. The San Antonio Riverwalk is a picturesque urban waterway located in the heart of San Antonio, Texas. Stretching over 15 miles, this iconic attraction meanders through the city, lined with lush greenery, restaurants, shops, and hotels. Visitors can explore its scenic pathways while taking in the vibrant atmosphere created by the bustling crowds and colorful riverboats that glide along the water. Historic bridges, unique art installations, and the serene sound of flowing water add to the charm of this destination. The Riverwalk is also renowned for its festivals, including Fiesta San Antonio, and is a hub for cultural events. It offers a delightful blend of nature and urban life, making it a must-visit destination for tourists and a beloved spot for locals. 2. The Alamo, located in San Antonio, Texas, is an iconic historical site that holds immense cultural and historical significance. Originally a Spanish mission, it gained worldwide fame during the Texas Revolution in 1836, when a small group of Texan defenders valiantly fought against Mexican forces for independence. Despite their ultimate defeat, the siege of the Alamo became a symbol of courage and resistance. Today, the Alamo is a well-preserved historic site and museum, surrounded by lush gardens. Its chapel, iconic bell tower, and the Long Barrack serve as poignant reminders of the past. Visitors can explore exhibits detailing the site's history and the individuals who played pivotal roles in the Texas Revolution. 3. Mission San Jose, one of the 5 Spanish frontier missions in San Antonio, Texas, is a remarkable historical and architectural treasure. Founded in 1720, it played a pivotal role in Spanish colonization, serving as a center for religious conversion and trade with local indigenous communities. The mission's stunning church, often called the Queen of the Missions, is a prime example of Spanish colonial architecture, with its ornate facade, intricate stone carvings, and a beautiful rose window. The complex also includes a granary, living quarters, and workshops, providing insight into daily life during the mission era. Today, Mission San Jose is a National Historic Park and offers visitors a chance to explore its well-preserved buildings and lush grounds. It stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Spanish colonial history in Texas and is a must-visit destination for those interested in the region's rich heritage. 4. The Tower of the Americas is an iconic landmark situated in San Antonio, Texas. Standing at a towering height of 750 feet, 229 meters, it was constructed for the 1968 World's Fair, HemisFair 68. The tower offers panoramic views of San Antonio and the surrounding region from its observation deck, making it a popular tourist attraction. The tower's design is a striking blend of modernism and futuristic aesthetics, characterized by its sleek, futuristic structure and a revolving restaurant at the top, providing diners with breathtaking views as they enjoy their meals. At night, the tower is illuminated with colorful lights, creating a dazzling spectacle on the city's skyline. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, The Tower of the Americas symbolizes progress and innovation and remains a symbol of San Antonio's role as a hub for culture, entertainment, and tourism in the region. 5. The San Fernando Cathedral in San Antonio, Texas, is a historic and spiritually significant landmark. Established in 1731, it is one of the oldest continuously functioning cathedrals in the United States. The cathedral's stunning Gothic and Romanesque Revival architecture, characterized by its twin towers and intricate detailing, is a testament to its rich history. One of the cathedral's most famous features is the Saga, a captivating video art installation that projects the history of San Antonio onto its facade during nightly presentations, creating a captivating fusion of art and history. San Fernando Cathedral holds deep cultural and religious significance, hosting numerous ceremonies and events, including the reenactment of the 1836 funeral of the Alamo defenders during Fiesta San Antonio. It remains a symbol of faith and history, attracting both tourists and worshippers alike to its sacred halls and picturesque surroundings. 6. The Pearl District in San Antonio, Texas, is a vibrant and revitalized urban neighborhood that has undergone a remarkable transformation. Once a historic brewery complex, it has evolved into a thriving cultural and culinary hub. The district is known for its mix of contemporary and historic architecture, with repurposed industrial buildings housing trendy shops, restaurants, and apartments. Central to the Pearl District is the scenic Pearl Park and the picturesque San Antonio River, which provides a charming backdrop for leisurely strolls and outdoor events. The district also hosts a bustling farmers market, culinary schools, and cultural events that celebrate the city's diverse heritage. The Pearl District seamlessly blends the old and the new, offering a unique blend of history, art, cuisine, and community, making it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists seeking a taste of San Antonio's modern renaissance. 7. The San Antonio Zoo, located in Texas, is a captivating wildlife conservation institution spanning 56 acres. It houses over 3,000 animals from around the world, representing diverse species. Visitors can embark on an educational journey through various exhibits such as Africa Live, Amazonia, and the Big Cat Valley, offering an up-close look at animals like lions, tigers, and giraffes. One of its highlights is the Butterfly Garden, where colorful butterflies flutter amidst lush vegetation. The zoo also emphasizes conservation efforts and hosts various programs aimed at raising awareness about endangered species. With its family-friendly atmosphere, the San Antonio Zoo provides an engaging and informative experience, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. 8. A day trip from San Antonio to New Braunfels, Texas, is a delightful adventure. Located just 30 miles northeast of San Antonio, New Braunfels offers a charming blend of history and outdoor recreation. Start your day by exploring the historic district, with its well-preserved German heritage evident in architecture, shops, and eateries. The highlight of New Braunfels is the Como River, perfect for tubing or relaxing by the water. You can also visit Schlitterbahn Water Park for thrilling water rides. For history buffs, the Gruen Historic District is a must-visit, featuring the iconic Gruen Hall and quaint shops. Additionally, Landa Park offers serene landscapes and a spring-fed pool. End your day with a hearty meal at one of the local German restaurants. New Braunfels promises a memorable day trip filled with culture, nature, and good food, all within a short drive from San Antonio. 9. Natural Bridge Caverns, located in San Antonio, Texas, is a captivating underground wonder that beckons explorers and nature enthusiasts. This subterranean marvel boasts an intricate labyrinth of limestone caves adorned with stunning stalactites and stalagmites, some dating back thousands of years. The main attraction, the Natural Bridge, is a massive limestone formation that spans 60 feet and serves as a breathtaking backdrop to the caverns. Visitors can embark on guided tours, descending deep into the earth to witness these geological wonders, learn about their formation, and even explore hidden passages. Above ground, the site offers additional attractions like a maze, zip lines, and a scenic nature trail, making Natural Bridge Caverns a multifaceted destination that delights both nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. 10. Historic Market Square, often referred to as El Mercado, is a cultural gem nestled in the heart of San Antonio, Texas. This vibrant marketplace encapsulates the rich heritage of the city with its lively atmosphere and colorful array of shops and stalls. Dating back to the 1820s, it's one of the largest Mexican markets outside Mexico, offering a sensory feast of Tex-Mex cuisine, traditional crafts, and lively music. Visitors can savor authentic tacos, browse an assortment of artisanal goods, and enjoy live mariachi performances that infuse the air with a festive spirit. The square is also home to numerous events and festivals celebrating San Antonio's diverse culture, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an immersive cultural experience in this historic city.